Mehal.
Yes, sir. I'm presenting my screen. Okay, very good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to discuss on the black skin white mask. In that work, we can find the depression in African community and in gender, women and men. So let's discuss on that. Frantz Fanon. Uh, Frantz Fanon was who impressed by impressed by the Sartre, and he also wrote about the Marxism and post-colonial literature. So here is one quote by him that there is but one destiny for the black man, and it is white. Because in this work, Frantz Fanon talk about the black skin and white mask. So why the depression in African community? So what is the depression? Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affect how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Fortunately, it is also treatable. Depression causes feeling of sadness or a lost interest in activities you once enjoyed it. It can lead to variety of emotional and physical problems. As we know that mental health is very important, and mental health is referred to a state of our emotion and physical and social well-being. It is also related with how we act and how we treat others and how we take a decision in our life. So in this novel, the racism, desire and colonial are the element who are made people to in depression. There are 8 chapters in this novel, and they are here. Now, in a second chapter, it's named the Women of Color and the White Man. In this chapter, the women of the color of black, and they want to marry with a white because they want value in society, a kind of standard and status in the society. With the black skin, they don't get this kind of things. And so the desire of whiteness is more in a black woman because of that many fairness cream and their industries grow faster and faster. We can take example from the bluest eyes and which is written by the Toni Morrison. Uh, in the second chapter, a black man, white mask, the woman of color and the white man, the woman of color and the white man, Frantz Fanon made some assertion about black Martinique's woman that garnered him the criticism of some feminist theories as a misogynist and as promoting a perceived form of black nationalism. So this way we can study of the also gender how the gender role in a black skin white mask the in a chapter 2 we as we see that the black woman want to marry with a white man, and in a chapter number 3 the black man who want to white woman. Here in this chapter also we can say the paradox, and that way we can as I already said that the men who want to marry with a white woman, sorry, here is a typo error. So white represent wealth, beauty, intelligence, and virtue, but the black people have kind of thinking that they are inferior than white people. Whiteness is a superior things for the African community, and the women and men who have a black skin. There is a chapter number 4, the so-called dependency complex of the colonized. In the chapter number this view that the people of color have a deep desire to to for right white rules that those who oppose it to do not have a right to. In this chapter, we come to know understand that the stereotype of a happy darkies, UPT, Negroes, and white savior all comes from the need of white people to feel that their power in this society good and not resist. Most native are content to put white above them and be dependent on them because it fulfills to deep needs in their heart. One that have the long before white showed up. Mennonite calls this is a dependency complex. A few native are unhappy because they suffer from an inferiority complex. We can also take example from the Tempest by the Shakespeare that white colonials suffer from the Prospero's complex, just like the Prospero in Shakespeare, The Tempest, they want to lord it over the native. The colonies draw those whites who cannot accept other as they are, who do not want to have to take other men serious, but instead want to lord it over them. It is a work by the Fanon. He is also he wrote about his own experience because he also a black man. He was a doctor, but for the white man. He was not a doctor who know the who is educated and a doctor Fanon, but as a black man or as a black Fanon, not as a doctor Fanon. So he says that I start suffering from not being a white man in suffer as the white man discriminated against me, turned me into colonized subject, tells me I am a parasite in the world. So I will try quite simply to make myself white. In other words, I will force the white man to acknowledge my humanity, but Monsieur Manoni will tell us you can't because deep down inside you there is a dependency complex. Here I take one example on research by Baldwin in a Afrocentric model. In this model, he talk about the consciousness, desire, and how the situation
Humanity, but Monsieur
of
Manoni will tell us.
situation of the black people and the consciousness and the situation of the mind how play a role in this black skin white mask. So much of the work on black people in psychology during the 18th and 19th century was conducted by European theorists who engaged in race comparative studies, often referred to Mentry. Anthropometry is a term used to describe a classification system that was based on the categorized or certain physical attributes, skin, color, hair, or group of people. So here also I take some fairness creams example of fairness cream. There are many advertise and we see we watch in a television that if you have a fair skin then you can get the job because there is no need for your education qualification and skill and talent what you have, but the fairness of your fairness of you that will give you a job. And also there is one and two uh, advertise upon the gender that if one woman who has white skin then she is get the job and but because of the black skin she can't do anything, and her father said that it will be good if I have a son. So in other Ed, there is a one interview that if the lady with used Fair and Lovely and with fair skin, she got for the interview, and the interviewer impressed by her fairness, and they select her. So this way, the fairness cream is a example that I taken here. then fairness scheme for the men also. As we see that both men and women want to a fair scheme. So for the superior for superior and to get a power and standard in a society of the white colony. Now his question is that why they want white skin? Why what they really want? The white skin they want, or the freedom or power which have white people, but not with black. Sorry, okay. So the quest to be white is also a quest to lose oneself. If you want to the white skin, then you will lose yourself. Conclusion: we come to know that which kind of little to big things can give a depression, anxiety, stress to a person. Human always in quest of something and never lives in happy way. Human will never satisfied with things and it will harm them. So sometimes satisfaction and desire will give you a depression and stress. So this way we can see the depression in the in a black woman and black man. So Menoni and Elder says, according to Fanon, that is that a black person's feeling of inferiority or any related neurosis is an individual problem that can be corrected by existing an individual's expectation or desires. Fanon disagrees and says that we must adjust the social situation that creates this desire and the impossibility of the realizing there. We must change the world rather than the individual. Here are the citations. Thank you.
Yes, good. Good presentation, good citations. You used also your sources well in your presentation. It was good. It was a little bit longer. It was a little bit longer. It is, we'll have to, we'll run short of time for the other participants if people will take more time. So see that tomorrow you can have, but it was good, well argued and well presented. Okay, next one is Komal.